Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Strathcona Park is a quiet residential neighborhood in the west end of Kingston, known for its tree-lined streets, schools, parks, and easy access to the waterfront. The area sits near Portsmouth Avenue and Bath Road, not far from Lake Ontario and the Cataraqui River. Many of the homes here were built during the major suburban growth period of the 1950s through the 1970s, when Kingston expanded beyond its historic downtown core. Today, Strathcona Park is considered one of the city's established family neighborhoods, with a mix of older detached homes, apartment buildings, and local businesses nearby.
Thank you very much.
The neighborhood is home to several schools, churches, and community spaces that help give the area a close-knit feeling. Residents are only minutes from shopping centers, medical offices, and recreational facilities, making daily life convenient without the fast pace of larger cities. Parks and green spaces are scattered throughout the area, and nearby waterfront trails attract walkers and cyclists during every season. The neighborhood's location also makes it popular with students, retirees, military families, and workers connected to Kingston's hospitals and universities. Strathcona Park developed during a period when Kingston was modernizing after the Second World War. Like many Canadian cities at the time, Kingston experienced a housing boom as returning veterans and growing families searched for new suburban communities. Streets in the area were designed around quiet residential living, with schools and services built nearby rather than concentrated in the downtown core. Over time, the neighborhood became known for stability and long-term residence, with many families remaining in the area for generations. The wider west end of Kingston, including Strathcona Park, has grown steadily over the past several decades. New subdivisions and commercial developments have expanded farther west, but older neighborhoods like this one continue to attract people looking for mature trees, larger lots, and established infrastructure. Public transit connections link the area with downtown Kingston and nearby institutions such as Queen's University, St. Lawrence College, and Kingston General Hospital. The neighborhood also benefits from quick access to Highway 401, which connects Kingston with both Toronto and Montreal. One of the defining features of life in Strathcona Park is its connection to nature and the waterfront. The nearby Lake Ontario shoreline gives residents access to scenic parks, marinas, and walking areas. During the warmer months, the area becomes active with boating, cycling, and outdoor events. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people, with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base Kingston remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past.